This is day 3 of improving my articulation using a pencil. Hmm? Stop facing and procrastinating. Put proper preparation into practice. Brutal biting discipline demands deliberate daily dedication to defeat distraction. Cut the crap and conquer the complex, calculated challenges you constantly cast aside. Tiny, trivial tasks take priority over tackling the true, terrifying targets, keeping you completely paralyzed. Break the bad habit, blocking your biggest breakthrough. People perpetually panic, picking passive paths instead of putting the painful, punishing process to